Exercise number 1. Exercise number 2. Exercise number 3.
Kegel exercises are simple exercises that help strengthen the pelvic floor muscles and can be performed at home without any equipment. Start by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Gently tighten your pelvic floor muscles for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax them for the same amount of time. Repeat the movement 10 to 20 times while breathing normally throughout the exercise. Try not to tighten your abdominal or buttock muscles. Afterward, take a short break, and you can repeat the set once or twice depending on your comfort level. For the best results, practice regularly and avoid squeezing the muscles too hard. If you experience pain or discomfort, stop the exercise.
Exercise number 6.
If you found this exercise helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and effective workout tips.